Hi Paula, hi David, hi Alison, hi Linda, hi Elizabeth. Hi Terry, where have you been? Hi Nancy. Hi Karen. I've got a skanky box in the middle of my living room now with a blanket in it. Just for Pixie. Come here, madam. Come here. Just walking away. Hi Christine. Hi George. Hi Diane. Hi Janine. If I miss any comments, it's because I've turned away for a minute. Hi Manueletta. Hi Destiny. Hi Marcy. He's a fluffy boy. Did you know he's got his own page? Tom from the MagnifiCats. He's being stupid again. Hi Madeline. Oh, Normia was here a minute. Go back. We've got Prince back. Hi Lynn. Kisses for you. Prince. That box. What's this box? Hi Linda. Hi Valerie. I did, George. I liked your post. No, Tom's got his little red Santa sack, which he loves sleeping on. Hi Jimmy. Oh, join the club, Terry. Hope you're better now, darling. Normie's here somewhere. I don't know where he's gone. I just turned my back for a minute. Now Tom's being lazy. Feet up on the wall. Come on, you. Pixie's here, Jimmy. She's in the dining room. Nancy, I haven't been very well this week, to be honest. Oh, thank you, Manueletta. We'll be live tomorrow night. No, Mary, they don't. Why would they? They've got the life of Riley. He does always look a happy mess, doesn't he? You wouldn't think he's brushed 4 times, 5 times a day. Happy Thanksgiving to you all too. Hope you do as well, Destiny. Oh, not really, Paula. But life goes on, doesn't it? Come on, Tom. Hi, Lisa. Come on, mister. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Hi, Deborah. Upside down. Come on. Get up, lazy boy. You're lazy. Yeah, those eyes are crazy, aren't they? Thank you, Nancy. I'm praying for you too. Pixie's wondering what's going on. Hi, Linda. Tom, Christine, you do make me laugh. Hi, Angelica. You're making us a gift. How exciting. Oh, Malaine. Oh, Paula, you need to come over. I think you know us all by now. Cheeky boy. Who's the cheeky boy? Auntie Paula's going to come and see you one day. Yes. Oh, Sherry. Tickle him all day long. He'd love it. He purrs. He dribbles. Oh, Sandy. You get better, darling. You need to. So many health issues going on lately. We're all falling apart. Oh, here's Junior. He does, Terry. Hi, Christy. Are you okay? Hit him, Tom. Smack his bum. Smack his bum. Good boy. Tom's not as soft as he looks. He beats Norman up all the time. That's it, Paula. I'm just over the river. So close to you as well. Get over here. Christy, I thought you was fat. Fat baby. Who saw Uggs today on live? Nobody sees him in the evening, so I thought I'd go live in the afternoon while Uggs was up and about in the living room playing and grunting. Oh, you must be, Christy. I'm sorry for what you're going through, darling. Pixie wants to play, but oops, flew out my hand. Hi, Diane. Oh, I'm glad you saw Rocky today. I've got to go back to the vet in the morning because he's been vomiting 2 mornings running now. So we've taken him off the pain meds, anti-inflammatory for today. We'll see if it's that. Oh, Angelica, what could it be? This is too exciting. I'm not sure if we've earned it, to be honest with you. I don't know what we've done to earn it. We're just so happy that you're all here. Hey, have you all seen the new Facebook layout? Paula, just give us a date, darling. Hiya, Ali. We're okay, thank you. Where have you been? Oh yeah, I was saying, the Facebook page layout has changed. Probably explains why nobody's been seeing my posts or videos this week. Oh, Diane, I do care about every one of you. I've got so used to you. I don't think about you as fans. I think about you as my friends. So, I don't like it when people are called fans because they're not really, are they? Got to be friends. So anyway, I was saying, hi Elena, hi Marcello. Facebook has changed the layout again. At the top of the page, you'll see all posts. I mean, all the pictures are kind of, it looks like they're in an album, so you won't be able to miss any now. You just see all, and you'll see the ones that you've missed too. And then below it, you'll see videos, and then you'll see all the videos in case you've missed any. And then I think there's my post, so that's not too bad. Okay, Paula, drop me a line and we'll arrange a date. Oh, Prince is here. I didn't even see him. He blends in so well. I'm okay, Marcello, in a bit of pain, but life goes on. Well, Nancy, it's quite a bit just once in the morning when he kind of wakes up. And the hot English accent. Behave, Destiny. Hate my voice. I sound husky all the time, like I've just got up. Oh, we're excited to see you too, Paula. Paula's going to come and see us. How exciting. Oh, that's okay, Marcello. Uggs is usually on during the day. He loves his sleep at night. He's actually sleeping in a waste paper bin at the moment. He thinks it's his, so I can't even take it up to the bedroom. Come on, madam. Come on. I think there's going to be a fight. Prince, leave her alone. Don't shake that bottom. Did you scare her away? Hi, Heidi. Oh, I don't know why that is, Nancy. Oh, no, you won't, probably. Oh, we love you too, Marcello. What's he doing? Silly boy. Silly boy. Paula is pretty. She's just being silly. Yeah, he's been on acid reflux pills for the last 7 days, so it usually helps him. Hi, Tony. Oh, my cats. I want to squeeze them all like Pokemon. Oops. Look at Twit Boy. Hello, baby. Are you waiting for Mummy to play with you? Come on. Come on. Oh, Prince is so hyper. What's going on, Prince? Big Bum. Big Bum. Come on. I don't know where Normie's disappeared to. He was here a moment ago, Christy. I don't know where he's gone. Oh, Prince is after Pixie. I think he's going to beat her. Hi, Sheila. It's not so bad today. Oh, you're right, darling. Prince is a bully, look. Prince. Prince. See that? Paula, when you see him in real life, you'll fall in love. I am right on the river, Diane. But there's no flooding here. I haven't walked down to have a look, actually. But we're quite safe here. It was quite breezy today. Yesterday was freezing. We had gale force winds and loads of rain. Come on, Pixie. Come on. Prince is a bully. He's behind a box now, so he can beat someone else up. He is in charge, only when Rocky's not around, Destiny. If Rocky's here, he kind of puts his head down. He knows who's in charge there. Where's my baby girl? Where's my baby? Come on. Oh, is it flooding in Chiswick, Paula? I didn't even know. Now he's beaten up Junior. You rotten tonight. You are. You're so bad. Why are you showing off? Why are you showing off? He's just given Junior a big whack. You're so naughty. And this is without catnip, everyone. This is what happens after hours. He's like, he's had Red Bull. She's thinking about it, Christy. Elaine. I'm not sure if she likes him that feisty. Look at him. Ears are back. He wants to fight. No, Stephen is in bed, Marcello. He gets up early in the morning. He'll be off on Friday, though, so that we can finish off painting. And then finally get the bedroom in some order. It's looking nice, though. I am a night owl, Diane. Prince gets very jealous, Paula. If any of the other cats are coming up to bed with me, he pushes them out of the way, slaps them, jumps on the bed before I can even get in. Oops. What are you... He wants to hit someone again. Oh, look at Tom. Have you gone out there to clean yourself in peace? Tom! Come on. In this house, Paula, since 2010. Look up for Tom. Prince is a bully. Are we looking at you? We're disturbing you, Tom. Little Yeti. Oh, send some over here, Sheila. Tom. No, Diane. He's terrified of Rocky. He backs down. Are you scared of Rocky, Prince? You are, aren't you? You're just a bully to the babies. Yes, you are. I do love him now. He's my companion in bed. He holds my hands. Hi, Piggy. Oh, we're putting up our tree. The cats don't touch it, thank God. Come on. Oh yeah, we'll be live tomorrow, Christy. Hope dialysis goes very well. Well, Marcello, he was just coming into the living room and Prince decided to hit him, so he's gone again. Poor darling. Let's play with my little girl for a bit. Cheeky girl. Cheeky. Prince is quieting down. Do any of the cats like Rocky? Yeah, Princess Pixie is in love with him. As soon as she sees him, she's following him around and chatting to him. No time out for him. I love him too much. He can do what he wants. Where's my girl? Pixie. Oh, look at the way he's looking at her. You giving her a stink eye? Are you? I think he's calmed down for a little while now. She does love a bad boy. Especially the neighbours' cats. Thank you, Marcello. We shall see tomorrow when we've got the vet. Got the vet at 10:45. Tom's gone. Oh yeah, somebody asked me what that box was. It's a toy box. Yeah, look at the state of that box. That's her new bed. sweetheart. I will do, my cello. Hi, Kim. I will do, Diane. Anyway, I'm going to go. I'm going to get a cup of tea, Mum. Now I understand what Steve means by his throat goes dry. Anyway, I love you all and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Enjoy the new Facebook layout. Hi, Jill. I'm just getting off. Bye, everyone. Yes, Marcello, come over.